Lesson: Accountability and Responsibility in AI Governance. Accountability and responsibility in AI governance are pivotal elements in ensuring ethical and compliant usage of artificial intelligence technologies. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals in the field can implement to address real-world challenges effectively. As AI systems increasingly influence various sectors, the need for robust governance mechanisms that prioritize accountability and responsibility becomes critical. Governance involves the establishment of policies, procedures, and standards to guide AI development, deployment, and monitoring. By embedding accountability and responsibility into these mechanisms, organizations can mitigate risks, enhance transparency, and build trust with stakeholders. To begin understanding accountability in AI, it is essential to recognize the challenges posed by the opacity and complexity of AI systems. These systems often operate as black boxes, where their decision-making processes are not easily interpretable. This lack of transparency can lead to accountability gaps, particularly when adverse outcomes occur. To address this challenge, the implementation of explainable AI tools is crucial. XAI aims to make AI systems more transparent by providing insights into their decision-making processes. For instance, the local interpretable model agnostic explanations framework can be employed to explain individual predictions made by a model, thus offering greater understanding and accountability. In addition to technical solutions like XAI, organizations must establish clear governance structures that define roles and responsibilities. The Responsible AI Governance Framework is one such model that outlines a comprehensive approach to AI accountability. This framework emphasizes the importance of stakeholder engagement, risk assessment, and continuous monitoring. By assigning specific responsibilities to individuals or teams, organizations can ensure that accountability is maintained throughout the lifecycle of AI systems. For example, a designated AI ethics officer can oversee compliance with ethical guidelines and address any potential issues related to accountability and responsibility. Responsibility in AI governance also entails ensuring that AI systems are aligned with ethical principles and societal values. This necessitates the integration of ethical considerations into the design and deployment of AI technologies. The Ethical Matrix Framework is a practical tool that can be used to evaluate the ethical implications of AI systems. This framework involves assessing the potential impact of AI on different stakeholders, such as users, employees, and society at large, and considering factors like privacy, fairness, and autonomy. By systematically analyzing these ethical dimensions, professionals can make informed decisions that uphold responsibility in AI governance. The implementation of accountability and responsibility in AI governance is not without challenges. One significant hurdle is the lack of standardized guidelines and regulations for AI systems. In response to this, organizations can adopt best practices from established frameworks like the IEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems. This initiative provides a set of ethical standards and recommendations to guide AI development and deployment, emphasizing accountability and responsibility. By adhering to these guidelines, professionals can enhance their proficiency in AI governance and ensure that their systems operate ethically and responsibly. Real-world examples illustrate the importance of accountability and responsibility in AI governance. The case of the COMPASS algorithm used in the U.S. criminal justice system highlights the consequences of lacking transparency and accountability. This algorithm, designed to predict recidivism risk, faced criticism for its potential biases against minority groups. The lack of transparency in its decision-making process made it difficult to hold the system accountable for its outcomes. This case underscores the necessity of implementing explainable AI tools and governance frameworks to ensure accountability and responsibility. Another example is the use of AI in hiring processes, where algorithms are employed to screen and evaluate job applicants. While AI can streamline recruitment, it also raises concerns about fairness and bias. To address these issues, organizations can utilize fairness auditing tools such as the AI Fairness 360 Toolkit. This open source library provides metrics and algorithms to detect and mitigate bias in AI systems. By incorporating such tools into their governance practices, organizations can uphold responsibility and ensure equitable outcomes in AI-driven processes. Statistics further emphasize the need for accountability and responsibility in AI governance. According to a survey conducted by Deloitte, 32% of organizations reported incidents of AI-related ethical issues, highlighting the prevalence of accountability challenges in AI deployment. These statistics underscore the importance of implementing robust governance frameworks and tools to address these challenges effectively. In conclusion, accountability and responsibility are integral components of AI governance, ensuring that AI systems are developed and deployed ethically and transparently. By leveraging practical tools such as explainable AI frameworks, ethical matrix evaluations, and fairness auditing toolkits, professionals can enhance their proficiency in AI governance and address real-world challenges. Establishing clear governance structures and adhering to ethical guidelines further reinforces accountability and responsibility. As AI technologies continue to evolve, prioritizing these principles will be essential in building trust with stakeholders and ensuring ethical AI practices. By integrating these actionable insights and frameworks into their practices, AI compliance and ethics auditors can significantly contribute to the responsible governance of AI systems.